In this video, I will show you how to add a stop or multiple stops on a boat ride. If you have the app on your phone, look boat, tap and open the app. If you open the app, this is how it looks. You can see the interface, right? Now, let me say for instance, you are at Nyanya bus stop and you are going to Jabi Motor Park, but you want to make a stop at AYA bus stop. How do you do it? So it's very simple. You can see here where to. Just tap on it. You can see if you tap on it, the Google map on the app would automatically locate your location, but you can change it to put a specific location. And please note, every location I use in this video are not mine. They are all public places. So from here, you can come here on this first one here and tap on it and wipe this one and put your specific location so that it will give the boat driver a specific location on where you are to come and pick you. So you can come here and tap where you are, for instance, Nyanya bus stop. As you are typing, it will be loading right here. You can see here Nyanya bus station. So select your location. And remember, you are going to Jabi Motor Park, but you want to make a stop at AYA. So you can see here is drop off location, which is your destination. But right now, you won't add destination yet. So first of all, you add a stop, your stop, which is AYA bus stop. So how do you add the stop? You can see this plus icon right here at the top right here. Just tap on it. If you tap on it, it will give you a space. You can see here add stop. So you can come here, for instance, and add AYA bus stop. Yeah. You can see AYA bus stop. Just select it. So right now you have added one stop. You can see, and please note, for every stop you add, there is extra charge for it. So if you add multiple stops, you also have multiple extra charges for it. Okay, so right now if you're adding one stop, you can now come here and select Jabi Motor Park and then request your ride. But if you want to add another stop, you can come here again on this plus sign here and tap on it right here and then add another stop. Let me say, for instance, you want to add Barnes Plaza, another second stop. You can come here, for instance, and type Barnes Plaza. As you are typing, it will be loading. Here, it will show you. You can see here Barnes Plaza. You can select it. So right now, it means that you have added two stops. You have added AYA bus stop and also you have added Barnes Plaza. And now on the boat app for now, I think you can only add two stops. If you check on this plus icon here, you can see you can't find it anymore. So it's only two stops you can add per a trip and there are charges for it. So after adding your stop, you can now proceed to add your destination, which is Jabi Motor Park. You can come here and search for Jabi Motor Park. As you're searching, it will be loading right here. You can see here Jabi Motor Park. You can select it. If you select it, it processes and brings you here where you can select different boat options. You can see the price here is 7,900. That is a promo or a discount price. The real price here, you can see down here, is 10,900. But because there's a discount, which is, you can see here, 30% promo, so you will pay the driver 7,900. I think both will now compensate the driver for the other one. So after that, you can come here on this select boat here and tap on it. And from there, you can now go ahead to confirm. If you confirm, you place your order, but we pay you to a driver that will come and pick you. And if he picks you and he starts the trip, he will stop at AYA bus stop, then Barnes, and then take you to the final destination, which is Jabi Motor Park. So that is it. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.